ターメリックを入れ、ヨーグルトを加えてと。背脂を溶かして小麦粉を入れる。焦がさないように丁寧に。カレー粉を入れてガラムマサラを足す。ブイヨンを入れてネギを入れてる。
Oh, good! What are the ingredients?
A potato, a carrot, an onion, some peas and cheese.
But that's what I would normally...
Chopped potato. Oh, if you tell me what you want to cook, I will tell you how to cook it. Carrot,
We want to cook a special modern meal, please.
onion, peas modern.
Very modern.
Certainly. You will need the following ingredients. Potato, carrot, cheese, onion, peas and cheese.
That doesn't sound very special.
Shush. And put them into the pot. Boil for 1 minute.
Oh, yes! So filling!
Marvellous, Nanny.